Hi Sunshines, welcome back to our channel MADCURLS. I'm Taylor Ann.
And I'm Lorianne.
And in today's video we are bringing to you another Instagram hair brand. What does Instagram hair brand mean? What's the point of that series?
Brands that basically do most of their marketing on Instagram.
Yep, on Instagram, online. You can't walk into a store at the moment and find these brands. So the brand that is up today is
CurlMix.
It's called CurlMix. Should we show them?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, hold it up. It comes in this cool box.
I know. We try to match
all the colors.
Cute.
So we'll hold it here for a while. Okay, actually, let me get rid of this. Let's
Okay.
coupon. So the brand is called CurlMix. I came across them on Instagram, and I actually messaged them on Instagram wanting to know the size of their sampler kit because they have a sample size. And they actually said, you know, we'll just send you some stuff if you want to try it out. And I thought that was really awesome. So we got it in the mail, and we tried it, and we love it. We love it. It's so cool. So I guess we should tell them a little bit about it. What's the point of CurlMix? Okay.
Yeah.
So CurlMix is a DIY company, a do-it-yourself, for those of you who don't know what DIY means. So what they do is they send you kits. It's for curly hair. And they send you kits, and you can make your own shampoos, conditioners, deep conditioners, gels, leave-ins, and they send you all the ingredients, all the instructions, and you can make them yourselves. And I guess they've been doing that since 2015, and that was really successful. And so now they've branched out and started actually making the products and sending them out.
Yeah, we'll put all the links in the description box because it's really cool the way they do it. It's a small company, and it's started by a husband and a wife, and it kind of catered to the needs of people that really wanted a do-it-yourself product. Flaxseed is kind of like the latest craze going on for curly hair, and I guess apparently it's very hard to make and very hard to get, and so they kind of monopolized on that. And so all of these, if you notice, every bottle will have the word flaxseed, and because these are flaxseed gel, even though they look like creams, they really are gels. And so we kind of have the color of the shirt on that we've tried the product. So I have the red. The one I'm going to try today is the moisturizing one.
Okay, so so each of these, they all have a different theme or something that they cater to. So, for example, the one that you're holding.
What I'm holding now is for hair growth.
So that one will promote hair growth. It has ingredients in there to promote hair growth. And each of these products have about 10 ingredients in there. No sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, none of that are in there. This purple one is moisturizing, so it has moisturizing properties in it.
I've tried the repair hair one. This again flaxseed, and this was the red one, red shirt.
Okay. This bluish one is for strengthening your hair. It has castor oil in it as well as the pure flaxseed.
And then this kind of key lime, I call it, color is, because it smells like key lime actually, is to soften hair.
And we both actually, this one's kind of almost gone. We both really like this one. Yeah. Your hair is so soft at the end using that one. So they really do what they say they're going to do. The growth one, we can't really speak on because it would probably have to be used over time to actually see the growth properties in it. But this one is for hair growth.
We chose to put it under the category of Instagram brand, but it really could actually go under the category of a one and done. And so you'd have to actually see the video and hear what we're saying to understand that this really is a one and done, but we're not going to categorize it as a one and done. We'd rather categorize it as Instagram brand because that's where we found it, and that's where we'll keep it for now. But it really is a one and done.
Yeah. And so also on the thing that they send, they actually give directions and tips on how to use it. They say that you should do it on saturated hair. So we are going to be doing that. We are going to be having towels this time because our hair has to be saturated. And they say that you shouldn't use brushes or combs when using it. And they also say that it's best used if you just recently deep conditioned your hair. We both did that. So yeah.
Yeah, so they really kind of walk you through it. I love the way they walk you through the do-it-yourself. I love the way they walk you through it. I like when people make products and they really kind of school you on how to use their products, so there's really no room for failure.
Yeah.
So
they say it's great for all hair types, wavy, curly, and kinky. So are we ready to get into it?
We're ready to get into it.
All right. So if you would like to see how we use CurlMix, some of their gels, then
please keep watching.
Please keep watching. Okay. So first things first, water. We already sprayed a little bit off camera since it has to be so wet.
Yeah, they stressed soaking wet.
All right. I was just telling my mom that we actually had a comment one time about somebody asking us to do a DIY flaxseed gel, and I believe I said to them that we are going to be doing one, but it's not going to be us DIYing it. It's someone else who DIY'd it. All right.
I know. I just kind of like started paying attention to that on Instagram. People boiling flax seeds and all of that. I guess it's a very delicate process and very complicated. Yeah. So the fact that they,
and I think they actually say with this, it like skips those steps. You don't have to like do that with these because they do it for you. So like,
I was really impressed when I first used this line.
So today I'm going to be using the Pure Flaxseed Gel, the strengthening one. And all of these smell so good.
Yeah, they do. They all smell different.
This one kind of smells like candy. The strengthening one smells like candy. The softening one, our favorite one, smells like lemon meringue pie. Oh gosh, kind of key lime pie. I know. It smells so good. And then the hair growth one, this turquoise one, this one smells like. This one smells like Sour Patch Kids to me. Okay. And like watermelon. And then this one is a rose fragrance, it tells you.
That's the one I use.
The repair hair smells like roses. What's yours smells like today?
Mine today smells like, hold on. This is for moisturizing. Hold on. And this one smells like, it smells kind of like lavender. I don't know, like very kind of like a soft scent of perfume.
It smells like soap, kind of. Yeah, it smells good.
Yeah, it doesn't smell cake-like. It doesn't smell like fruit. It has a like you said, like soap, very faint scent of very feminine, very florally, but not like roses or anything. It's just.
All right. Okay. So it says use a nickel size amount, but y'all know how that goes in the curly world. But it's very like jelly-like. Very cool.
Yeah. See, water's just splashing. I just want to make sure it's all wet. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my back
and then I'm going to just start putting it in. And I do the praying hands method with this product a lot. I do that to get it to disperse. So
I'm going to start off with the moisturizing one.
I kind of do 2 pumps when I do it.
And they call it a gel, but it looks like a cream, but it feels kind of gel-like, right?
Yeah, and it does dry with a little bit of a cast.
It does. It definitely does.
That breaks right up. There it is. And my curls like clump together.
Yes, and you can tell when you're putting it in that you are putting a product in your hair, but not in a bad way, in the fact that they say what to use, the size to use, and you feel like when you put something in your hair that you're putting a styling product in your hair.
Now I think they say don't use brushes or combs because they're slip, but there kind of isn't a little bit. That's why you need to have your hair completely detangled. You know, it's best if you do it with your hair already deep conditioned so it's soft, because there isn't like a whole lot of slip. So you want your hair basically prepped and ready to just apply the product and just smooth it in. Yeah. Because I don't see a comb going through this right now, really, to be honest.
All right, I'm getting like Taylor.
Put on your cape.
And I'm not having it. And I'm not having that. Okay.
Alright. Did you start putting some in?
Yeah, I did. Yeah. I did one section already.
Okay. Alright. I'll put a little bit more on my ends. But I really love the consistency of this product. It's really cool. And also on their website they have like reviews. People have reviewed it and they showed pictures if you want to see more reviews and people's pictures, people's experiences. I think that's cool. People have done that.
Yes. Alright. If I had to buy one, I would buy the one for the softened hair.
The softening?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's.
I just love the way that smells. I just love the way fruity things smell, and I love that. It was my first one I used, and it was such a good experience that I will go back to that one.
Let's get this.
Yeah. So as long as you follow the directions the way they say, detangle your hair, deep condition it, then it's really a no-brainer, I think.
Even though we're not like DIY people, I think I would definitely look into getting some of their DIY kits. I think those are so cool. And they literally have a DIY kit for everything. Shampoos, conditioners, leave-ins, edge controls, like everything. Anything you could want for your hair, they have like a DIY kit where they send you everything. And I think that's so cool. Alright. Make sure my hair is really saturated. I think I'm gonna put this over there, section it even more. Yep. It's all about putting products in with a purpose. Purposefully putting them in.
I like that. Somebody made a comment today that said, though they had type 4 hair, they watch our videos because you can always pick something up, and they like the fact that we said that we're very intentional when we put products in our hair. So you can always pick up something when you watch YouTube videos. Just one little thing can really make a difference.
Yeah.
Wow, it really does. I watch videos all the time, and I'll hear one thing, and I never would have thought of something, and I'm like, wow, I never thought of that.
Getting my sections mixed up. I'm a horrible sectioner.
Oh, my last section. What section are you on?
Okay, I'm almost there too.
Okay.
Right.
I know. It's really no brainer.
No brainer. Okay, so both of our product is in. I took a little bit longer this time because I had more sections, but both of our product is in. Our hair feels good. My hair feels very moisturized, and I see all my curlies popping through. So I already know it's gonna dry looking really, really bomb. But we are going to let our hair dry, and we will be back to show you these results.
Yep.
Okay, see you soon.
I see promising results.
Yeah.
Yeah,
look at your curlies. Sickening.
Yep.
Okay. All right, we'll see you in a bit.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay.
And we are back. These are our results.
And we're laughing because me and packaging. I think these are just the cutest things. I mean, you have to buy them strictly for the... They look like crayons, I said. They're so cute. Like, I want them because they're so cute. And, like, I already want to, like, use the code. And I already want to order them because I'm just so afraid I'm not going to have them in my stash.
We didn't tell them about the code yet.
Oh, well,
we have a code.
Them now.
We're
like, they're so
going to use our own code.
We're going to use our own code because they're just too cute.
No, they're very cute. Okay.
Okay.
Focus.
All right, stay focused.
Stay
Lori.
focused. Okay.
Stay focused, Lori.
All right, you keep those over there because we are going to go into a little bit more detail.
Can I put these on my shelf in my room?
Maybe.
Because, you know, everybody knows that when I put them on my shelf in my room, like, they mean everything to me. Like, these mean the world to me if I could put them on my shelf.
Right, maybe, if you're good.
Okay.
For the rest of this video.
Okay, I stay focused.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So these are our results. Our hair is dried. Lots of volume. It's soft, but there's a hold. There was a cast that literally scrunches out the second you start scrunching your hair.
Mine didn't even
no
scrunch
flakes.
out as I was scrunching. Like, I started feeling it getting soft as it was drying. So much so that I thought that there was a problem in this area, but it just wasn't. I think it was the fact that it was the one I chose, moisturizing one, and my hair was just simply, it was different from the ones that I used last week. And
all of these are moisturizing. Like, my hair is very moisturized. Like, I didn't have to scrunch it out with the serum at all. Again, we said this is a one and done product. And then we noticed, not that we noticed, but we're going to point out now, that each of these products has like a different standout oil in them. Yeah. So, for example, your moisturizing one, the standout oil is, get your glasses.
Yeah, my glasses. All right, the standout oil in the moisturizing one is the jojoba oil, organic jojoba oil.
Yes, and the standout oil in the softening one for the soft hair is argan oil, organic argan oil.
The standout oil in the repair one, oh, my shirt, see? Matching. Okay, is the organic rosehip oil and aloe vera gel.
And the standout oil for the hair growth is hemp seed. I don't know why we keep skipping over this word. Organic hemp seed oil.
Yeah.
And the last one, the strengthening one, the standout oil is organic castor oil. So each of these oils do what the product, you know, is supposed to do. So
and we were
castor
guessing,
oil strengthens.
And we were guessing at the fragrance before, but when we got off camera, then I picked them up and was looking closer. And so
they say that.
All right, so yeah, they say the fragrance. So this was lavender, as I assumed. I said it didn't smell cakey. It didn't smell, you know. All right, so this was lavender. This smells like rose.
This one smells like. It actually doesn't say on this one. So the hair growth one doesn't say it, but I said it smells like candy. It smells like candy. The softening hair one smells like lemon cream fragrance, which we said it smelled kind of like key lime pie. Wow. And the strengthening one smells like, it has a vanilla fragrance to it.
I can't say what it smells like.
I told you it smells like Sour Patch Kids. Either way, it smells really, really good. We didn't give you the prices of these products, so I'm just going to do that really quick. They range anywhere from $25 to $28 for 8 ounces, or you can try all these products in their sample kit for, as of right now, it's $55 on their website. And the reason I think these prices are a little bit high, because to me, this is luxury. In my opinion, this is kind of luxury. Like, you're not getting, you know, garbage ingredients in these products. You're getting minimal ingredients, the best ingredients, organic, natural, no sulfates, parabens, so all that stuff you guys worry about. You're not getting it in here. So you're really getting what you pay for. So
the downside of being a YouTuber is that you can just love something so much. I'm so excited, and I just want to go off and use codes and buy all this stuff. I could buy one of every one to have it in my room just to kind of look at it on my shelf because I'm just obsessive. Is that tomorrow we'll be testing something else, and like, when will I ever come back to these products again?
We will.
Yeah.
Unlike our dates, we've definitely been reaching for them on our days when we go to events and different things. Like you'll come in and you'll take it.
To reach for the green one because I know like you're watching it and you're like measuring how much I'm using. I just feel.
I know you keep using. Ma, you can have it. Ma, you can have this one. All right, just please.
Okay. So just remind her, everybody in the comments that Lori Ann, you have gifted me with this. Just say, remember you gifted Lori Ann with the green one.
Okay. I've gifted Lori Ann with the green one. There it is. Okay. So we have a code. We love these products so much. They actually gave us a code to save y'all a little bit of coin. The code is MADCURLS. Hopefully my hand, it'll pop up here. I'll put some writing there. The code is MADCURLS. And you can use the code for 20% off for up to 2 weeks after this video was posted. So in the description box, it always shows the date the video is posted. So 2 weeks from that day, you guys can use the code up until that day for 20% off. If you don't get it within those 2 weeks, CurlMix does have like rolling codes for 10% off on their Instagram, which we'll link below. We'll link their website below. So you can save a little coin here and there.
And I am not a sales girl. I don't need to push these things because we have plenty of other things that we have to move on with. But I'm just saying that if you guys really value what we say, like it totally would be something I would get. Yeah. Like 20% off is a lot to me. Like, for instance, you said this one was 30. To me, that's extraordinary.
So that's why they range. This one is the most expensive. This one's 28.
And though it says rose, that would turn me off, and it did when it first came. I'm like, oh, I don't like anything with roses. But you put it in your hair, you smell the faint smell of rose, but it disappears very quickly. Yeah. So I'm not a rose person, but I liked the results of this. But if you think 20% off of $30, that's $6. So it's $24. It's still expensive, but when you get it and you see the results, you won't regret it.
And they also have something which is cool. If you get it and you really like it, or if you think you're going to like it straight out the gate, they do have something called, I believe, auto refill, where like you can save 10%, I think it was. Something like that.
You said that oh wait, did you say they shipped out for 22 automatically, or that depends on which one you get?
No, it depends on which one you get, but you do get a discounted price if you like start on like a rolling like shipment. So like they'll ship it to you every month for or every 2 months, every whatever, for a discounted price. If you know you're gonna like it, you can save some money like that. Okay. But yeah, so this is our Instagram brand. This is CurlMix. We like it. We like it. We love it. I think it's so.
Can we hold them all up together again?
Okay, we'll hold them all up again. Go ahead.
Because they're so cute. The colors. They're just too cute.
This is CurlMix.
This is CurlMix.
All right. Thank you so much for watching our video.
Thank you so much for watching.
And come chat with us in the comments. Tell us what you think. If you've tried it before, if you want to try it.
First thing is, Taylor Ann gifted Lori with the green one. So we know you watched it to the end.
Yes, comment down below, Taylor Ann gifted Lori Ann with the green one, if you got this far in the video. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.
Can't even wave.
I know.